I'm preparing for a full Ironman, which will be in October. Started training back in October, so this is a great way of training up to it. I've done a few open water swims here a couple of weeks back, swimming from Skala to Runavik. That was really cold, so I'm a bit nervous about the water temperature. When I came here, I started training with the Føroya Triathlon Club. They took me in with a really open heart, and it's a great opportunity to join them along.
And I have understood that you have always a Faroese flag or something Faroese on you. Why is that?
I think it's just for people to embrace that we are all part of the national club. I mean, I'm not Faroese myself, but it's a nice feeling to have the flag on.